Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay. Today I am going to teach you general knowledge. In general knowledge, we are going to learn days of the week. What, children? Days of the week. So now, children, I am going to tell you a story. A story of the very hungry caterpillar. The very hungry caterpillar. You can see the caterpillar here? Yes. Now, in the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. See, you can see the leaf. What is there on the leaf? A little egg. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped. Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Yes, children, from the egg who came out? A tiny hungry caterpillar. Okay. He started to look for some food. He started searching for a food. What caterpillar is saying? I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. He want a food. So, on Monday, he ate through one apple. He ate through one apple. But he was still hungry. But he was still hungry. Then what happened, children? Again on Tuesday, what you can see here? Which fruits? Pears. Yes. So on Tuesday, he ate through two pears. But he was still hungry. After eating two pears, he was still hungry. So what he did? On Wednesday, he ate three plums. But he was still hungry. The caterpillar was still hungry. So on Thursday, tell me, children, which picture? Yes, strawberries. Yes, so on Thursday, he ate four strawberries. But he was still hungry. The caterpillar was still hungry. So on Friday, children, what is this? Tell me. Yes, oranges. So on Friday, he ate through five oranges. But he was still hungry. He was still hungry. So on Saturday, he ate, what is this? Yes? Yes, children, a piece of chocolate cake. A piece of chocolate cake. So on Saturday, he ate one piece of chocolate cake. And what is this? One ice cream cone. And one lollipop. What is this? Lollipop. What is this? Cupcake. He ate cupcake also on Saturday. And one slice of watermelon. So that night he had a stomachache. That night he had a stomachache. Then the very hungry caterpillar ate through one green leaf. He started to feel better. After eating one green leaf, he felt better. And now the caterpillar was no longer small. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon. Yes, what is the name of the house? Cocoon. He built a small house called cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a small hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and you know who came out from the cocoon? Yes, a beautiful butterfly. Who came out? A beautiful butterfly. The caterpillar becomes a beautiful butterfly. Yes, children? So, did you like the story? Yes. Did you like the story? Okay. So, did you learn the different days of the week? Yes, children? Okay, very good. So, let's revise the different days again and see what the caterpillar ate on different days. On Monday, he ate an apple. On Monday, an apple. On Tuesday, 2 pears. On Tuesday, 2 pears. On Wednesday, 3 plums. On Wednesday, 3 plums. On Thursday, 4 strawberries. On Thursday, 4 strawberries. On Friday, 5 oranges. On Friday, 5 oranges. And on Saturday, he ate junk foods. 1 lollipop, 1 cupcake, 1 chocolate cake, and a slice of watermelon. He ate so many junk food. And after that, he felt tired and he went to sleep. So after some days, a small caterpillar becomes a beautiful butterfly. After some days, a small caterpillar becomes a beautiful butterfly. So, all of you understood, children? Yes? Okay. So, now we are going to see the days of the week. Now, teacher is going to say, you are going to listen to the teacher. Okay? Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. So what are these? Days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. How many days? 7 days in a week. So now you're going to repeat after teacher. Say children, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. Yes. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days. Very good. Now here we are going to see which is the first day of the week. Yes, children? So now here we are going to say the spellings also. Okay. Sunday, Sunday. Say all of you. Sunday, Sunday. And Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Yes. Now next. Monday, Monday. Say children. Monday, Monday. And Monday is the second day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. Yes. Now next. Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. And Tuesday is the third day of the week. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Yes. Now next. Wednesday, Wednesday. Say children. Wednesday, Wednesday. And Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Very good. Next. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday. And Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Very good. Now next. Friday, Friday. Say children. Friday, Friday. And Friday is the sixth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Yes. Now next. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday. And Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. So all of you understood, children? Yes? Very good. Now we will solve one worksheet. Okay, we are going to match the days. Which is the first day? Which is the second day? Okay. Now here, which number is this? 1. 1 means first. So which is the first day of the week, children? Tell me. Yes? Sunday. This one. Yes. Sunday. Sunday. Very good. So we are going to match. Correct? Yes. Now after first, second. So which is the second day? Which is the second day of the week? Children, tell me. Yes? Monday. Correct. Monday. Monday. So we are going to match second to Monday. Correct? Yes. So which is the third day? Tell me, children. Which is the third day? Tuesday. 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 So we are going to match Tuesday. Correct? Yes. Now fourth day. Which is the fourth day of the week? Which is the fourth day of the week? Wednesday. 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 Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. So we are going to match. Correct? Yes. Now after fourth, fifth. Which is the fifth day of the week? Yes, children? Thursday. Very good. Thursday. Thursday. So fifth day is Thursday. Very good. So after 5th, 6th. Which is the 6th day of the week? Yes, children. Which is the 6th day? Friday. Which is the 6th day? Friday. So, Friday, Friday. So, we are going to match like this. Now, last 7th day. So, which is the 7th day of the week? Yes, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. So, 7th day is Saturday. So, we are going to match to Saturday. So, all of you understood, children? Yes. Days of the week? Yes. Very good. So, children, now tell me which day is today? Yes, Wednesday. Which day? Wednesday. And Wednesday is the 4th day of the week. So, understood, children? Yes. Now you are going to learn days of the week at home. Yes, children? Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. We will meet in the next session. Bye.